Alright, we're in the conference room wing of the SeaGate Convention Center in Toledo, Ohio. And we're going to film the DOVER elevator. We're going to go over here and film the DOVER Oildraulic. And I filmed this back in 2018. It's a DOVER. 3, 2, here we go. Installed in 1987. 3's locked out. Back down to 1. Watch this. It's got the old bumper. That goes to the Port Lawrence parking garage, which we'll film in a minute. Here we go. Really nice elevator. Impulse fixtures. Phone door is locked. No, it's jammed. Here, 1. Back up to 2. Let's take another ride. Let's do the bell trick. Close the door. Now watch the button go out. Alarm bell. See, phone door is jammed up. Good thing I got my cell phone, thank goodness. Here at level 2. Let's look up the shaft. Dover blue. Installed in 1987. This runs much better than that Travelodge in Parsippany that Transit USA filmed. Better maintained, better held up. That one's from E6, same year as Ross Park Mall. Dover, capacity 3,000 pounds. Here, level 2. 2's locked, then up to 3. Door goes and that's it.